this is Sarah from Learn and Play Tampa Bay, brought to you by the Glazed Children's Museum and generously funded by the Children's Board of Hillsborough County. So welcome to my home, and today I am joined by Nia and Jordana, my daughters, and we're going to share with you our favorite dinner. What's our favorite dinner?
Pizza.
Pizza. So we make pizza here at home from scratch. Usually we make the dough, but if you don't have the dough, Publix always has the dough that's pre-made, or any other place that you can buy dough pre-made. So this one's ours. It freezes super well, and I'll include a recipe very soon in our ingredients. We also buy, one second baby, we also buy pepperoni, which is their favorite topping.
I'm gonna put the pepperoni. I'm gonna put the cheese.
And cheese, mozzarella chino, any cheese
I'm
that you
gonna
like.
eat all this pepperoni.
And we get tomato sauce, a small little can of tomato sauce. And the trick to getting pizza dough, any pizza dough, whether it's homemade or not, to not stick to your pan is to use olive oil on the pan to get that nice extra crisp. 1 second, baby. And, oh, I love you too. Flour so that it doesn't stick to your hands.
What about cheese?
Cheese comes later. So, thank you everyone, and we hope you enjoy seeing these two make pizza. All right, girls, what's the first thing?
So we're gonna put some oil, which I do not like on my hands. You can wash your hands, silly. Can we use a spoon?
No, baby, you just have to use a little bit. Go ahead. All right, that's it.
I do not want to touch it. Until you touch it, I'll touch it.
There you go.
Now comes the tomato sauce. Mom, can you cure the tomato sauce?
All right, and we good? All right, now you get to lick, but don't put that spoon back.
Cheese.
So, show everybody the cheese. There you go, yummy. Okay.
You can use any color cheese that you want.
Okay.
Even yellow cheese. Something else.
And now what comes next?
The pepperoni. My favorite part. Oops. You all done. Pins on my knees. Hit it.
There you go. All right, go for it. Thank you everyone. So once the pizza is ready, you put it in the oven for 450 degrees for 15 minutes. And then you have yourself a delicious pizza. Now only at home are you able to eat all of the pepperoni and cheese. All right everyone, our pizza is out and it looks delicious. Thank you so much for joining us. And girls, what do you have to say?
If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for our channel at Learn and Play Tampa Bay.
Thank you so much everyone. Hope you enjoy your pizza. Bye.